is engaged with.
Superintendent of Police Traffic Jangka East KHASI Hills Ukamakhya Prasad Hadien gasngi ulapan te bau samla khana ubadang Hapoh ka khat Snem karta ulapan Pynkheiñ ka kendon Ñiah kali kabalawan ra ya ka jingsha tenra jangka wei ka long kebe hamaulai maudat baki haga khatlai tarik unai wing haga ba ka ne ka long kebe ka la Khlad no Hadien khatto ka nepor udisi ulaong bayu ni khana samla la kem no bala pengat kendon an persya ya ulaong haga ba ula benrap syu ru ba on sawat benya haga ba ya day pat kani ka jingja palada don kamru on sale AA persya ki kibi ki pa jong ni usamla khana nagadaw bakila ailat ya banya ya ka thuk ka ba palat ki kindon an balasha da ka sarkar.
From the preliminary investigation, it appears that the rider, he was a juvenile. He was having a learner license, and he violated the norms and conditions of the learner license, where the person, the learner, he should be above the age of 18. He should be under the age of 18 years. And the person, learner, especially if he rides also, there is a limitation that he can ride the bike with gear up to 50 cc, and that also in public place with the consent of their parents. After this incident, we have already apprehended the juvenile and produced them before the JJV. Case have been registered. We have taken up the follow-up actions. We'll examine the matter, and we will see that if necessary, the parents of the juvenile also, the action will be taken against them for allowing the juvenile to use the bike.